What's up, you guys? It's been a minute. You saw by the title of this video exactly what's going to be going on. I am going to attempt to do my own box braids myself for the first time. So first thing I gotta do is wash this hair. I'm gonna do a treatment in it for like 30 minutes with the cap on, and then I'll blow dry it, and then we'll get started. All right, so I just combed my hair out. I just wanted to show you guys what my hair is looking like. I haven't had it picked out in a minute. So I have my hair in a treatment right now, so I decided to show you guys what I picked up from the beauty supply store. So what I have here is pre-stretched hair. That's what I'm going to be using, and I got 3 different colors. So the first one I have here is a 27, and then this one's kind of like, I don't know, like a different kind of brown. And then I got like a natural dark brown. This isn't a black, and they were only $5.99 each. And then I also got expression hair, and I got this blonde here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take all 3 of these, well 4 of these, and I'm going to combine them and kind of brush them all together and then use them. For my hair, I wanted to have some lighter colors for summer, just not one solid color, so hopefully we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I have everything mixed together. I'm not really gonna blend it anymore because when I braid it, it'll kind of do itself. So what I'm going to do is take the hair itself, and then I'm just gonna divide it into sections and then try to put this in my hair. All right, so the way that I did this is I just put a little bit of Murray's beeswax in a section of my hair, and then I took the other hair, I hope this is sounding right, I took the section of my hair that I want to braid and then the extension, and I used 2 strands and I just looped it around my hair, and then I braided down like you would do any traditional braid. And then once I got towards the end of my natural hair, I took that middle piece and I gradually added in hair from the other side, so it kind of evened it out. Yeah, there's another way that you can do it. I watched like 1,000 videos where it's like people take 3 strands of hair and then the 3rd strand is thinner, and then they flip their hands like they put up gang signs and try to freaking do their hair. I mean, I couldn't even do it, so I was just, like I said, this is my first time doing it this way, so I just used 2 strands, see, and then my natural hair. So this is just me showing you again. Put the beeswax in it, I just looped it around, and then I just try to do it like a regular braid. And I just tried to make it do what it do, baby. So you'll see that once I get down towards like the end of my natural hair, I start taking hair from the extensions and gradually putting it in the middle. For the first couple of strands, I added in like hair into the 3rd piece. Oh my god, this is not making sense. So for the first couple braids that I did, I took hair from the extensions and I added it into where my natural hair was towards the end, but then you could see my hair was like, the braid was like thick and big, and then it was like, I don't know, just weird looking. It was like big at the top and then like super skinny at the bottom. Like it immediately like dropped and changed and looked weird. So what I did was, when I have my hair in the middle, instead of waiting till I got to the very end of my natural hair, I was gradually taking small sections of hair from the extensions and then placing it in the middle, so it didn't have like that weird, you dig, in front of it. And you're gonna see my hairline, I left some hair out because I was like, oh, I want to do baby hairs, and y'all, I live in Texas now, so it's kind of hot out here, so I actually go back and redo the front braids just so I can include my baby hairs in them, and I didn't do it tight, so I made sure that I still had edges. So yeah, I don't really have anything else to say because what I am saying doesn't sound like it's making a lot of sense. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just watch this and then you can see how it comes out in the end. So at the ends of my braids, I either tied them into a little knot using like one strand of hair and wrapping it around, or I use nail glue. And right here you can see, yes, I'm getting that dip on. It just helps so that like the ends of the braids don't look like ratty and stick together, and it kind of just, because it's not real hair, it just seals everything together. And this is pretty much what it's looking like at 3 a.m. All right, you guys, so I have officially finished doing my box braids for the first time ever. I think I did a pretty good job. Definitely took 9 hours. I did leave like some baby hair out, but then I went back and re-braided it, and I made sure I did not do it too tight because I like my edges. I don't even know how many braids I have in my hair. A lot. But yeah, it doesn't, I mean, it feels snug. It doesn't feel tight. It definitely doesn't feel like when I've got my hair braided in the past and I like couldn't even sleep on it. It was so bad. So I think for my first time, it definitely came out really good. I will probably most definitely in the future be doing these myself because honestly the packages of hair were $5.99 each, and then I used 3 packages, and so that's like 20 bucks. And if I had paid someone else to do it for me, it would have cost like $200. So I saved a lot of money doing it this way, and I'm so happy with the way it came out. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.